Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. And this is the street here in Taipei. This is the residential. So very nice, isn't it? Like the sofa, the living room in the residential home. So here some beautiful spot here. So there's a family mart here. So we're going to get in. There's umbrella. Many food. Just going to take a look what is inside the family mart here in Taiwan. Strawberry fruit tea, but I don't like that. Many food, many snacks, kind of juice, and there's a smart lock. Aba, okay to ah. So ayan, meron silang locker here. Meron din silang charging area. May smart locker. So ayan. The freezer, dumplings. There's umbrella here. Ayan. Some juice. And this one, the electronic accessories for the gadgets. So, ayan. This is so expensive. Tapos this one is charger. So, ayan. Pero mahal ang kanilang tinda. Ayan. There is a Snoopy. So, ayan. Okay, enjoy watching. Some ice cream. This is a kind of peanut. Ang mahal. Peanut nila. Until here.